Hey everybody, I'm Canon Explorer of Light David Bergman. We're here at the beautiful Tower Theater in Oklahoma City. We got a live band, we got Taddy Porter here. Jim Laveau and I are going to be talking about making stills and videos in a live concert setting. We're going to be talking about the gear that we use. We're going to give some creative tips. You're going to be able to see through our cameras as we're shooting. It's going to be really awesome.
My name is Renato Arroyo. I also go by Flaco. The major benefit of us doing these workshops live as you're watching is you can interact with our hosts. You can chat into our platform and ask the questions you want our hosts on camera to answer live. So to make this all possible, we're using a variety of our Canon products. Everything from the R5, R5 C, C70, C300 Mark III, and a variety of lenses, as well as the brand new RF 24 to 105mm f2.8.
My name's Jim Laveau. I'm a photographer, a cinematographer, a music video director, and musician. This is a brand new 24 to 105 2.8 with this amazing zoom function, which is really great for video. It's a special piece of glass.
I'm Andy Brewer. I'm Kevin Jones.
Doug Jones.
And I'm Joe Selby.
And we are Taddy Porter. We're just glad to be a part of something that has a good message behind it. It's educational. It's going to be fun.
I'm Alexander Larea. I'm the director of hospitality. Us being in the theater size venue since 2017, we've brought a ton of artists here and built up a lot of regional artists and local artists and given them a platform to perform.